Hello and welcome to our series of YouTube videos that will teach you how to solve the cube, and we're going to use special methods. We're going to use Lego models and we're going to teach you some songs, and it's going to be great. So hopefully you'll enjoy them. This is the first video, the introduction, where you'll learn a little bit about the structure of the cube and the way that we need to think about the cube if we want to solve it. So the first thing you really need to know about the cube if you want to start solving it is that it's not really made up of 6 sides. It's actually made up of blocks which have 1 color, 2 colors or 3 colors on them. If you actually take apart a cube, you'll see that these blocks are made up of, as I said, these different colors. And there are 26 different blocks like this. In order to demonstrate a little bit more clearly how a cube is made, we're going to show you a Lego model that we built. So it's building time! So we built this cube. I'm going to use this fancy camera to show you more closely what it looks like, but basically these are the blocks, right? And so what I really want us to do when we solve the cube is to imagine that we're building this Lego model. What we need to do is to start with the very bottom layer, and if you look at the bottom layer, you'll find that at the bottom there are white pieces. There are these white pieces, and we have to fit those on and start building everything up. And we also have to find out, we have to be sure that we know that the core of the cube doesn't actually move, that the pieces that stuck to the core don't move in relation to each other. In other words, the red piece is always opposite the orange piece, and the yellow side is always opposite the white side. And this thing is just like a solid thing that only turns but doesn't move, and it's right there in the middle of the cube. The first thing we're going to do is to find white edge pieces, white corner pieces, and build up that layer and move up and up and up. And we're going to solve the cube by building up the structure in that way.